Welcome back to my online class. Dear student and honorable viewers, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, today I am going to take a class on passage narration part 2. Dear student, in my last class I have discussed about passage narration. In that class, I have discussed some critical words such as yes, no, okay, well, excuse me, hello, hi, bravo, by Allah, etc. Because of the limitation of the time, I was unable to complete my lecture. For this reason, I am going to start discuss the rest of the rules on passage narration. In my previous class, I have discussed the word yes, no, okay, well, excuse me, hello, hi. Today, I want to discuss the word excuse me. If you find the word excuse me in passage narration, how we can change this word. Dear student, if we find the structure, the stranger said to the shopkeeper, excuse me, can you show me the way? How can we change this structure? How can we change this mode? Dear student, we just to write in this case the stranger, we can write this stranger drew the attention of the shopkeeper. And then said, and then asked if he could show him the way. It is a standard format. Dear student, we can change the sentence in this way. The stranger drew the attention. If we find the word excuse me, we can change this word. We just to say the drew the attention, then object. The stranger drew the attention of the shopkeeper and then asked if he could show him the way. Again, if we find the structure, the stranger said to the traffic police, excuse me, sir, can I tell me the way? Can you tell me the way? How can we change this structure? We can change this structure in the same way. We just to write the stranger drew the attention of the shopkeeper and then asked for the word sir, we can write here, and asked politely. And then asked politely that he could show him or he could tell him the way. In this case, we have to write drew the attention. If you find the word excuse me, we just write drew the attention, then object. In this way, according to the mood of the sentence, we can change the word hello, hi in the same way. If we find the structure here, instead of excuse me, if we find hello, Can you show me the way? We can change this word in the same way. We just to write, the stranger drew the attention of the shopkeeper. Thus we can change the word high. Based on then, if we find the structure, if we find the word in our passage narration, bravo. Suppose the teacher said to the boy, bravo. You have done well. Look at the blackboard, dear student. If we find the structure in this way, the teacher said, the boy, bravo, you have done well. How can we change this mood? We just change the word bravo, praised, or we can use the word applauded instead of praised. Just to write, suppose the teacher praised the boy. Then according to the rules, you can change the rest of the sentence, or you can write, the teacher applauded the teacher praised the boy, or the teacher applauded the boy. Then the rest part of the sentence you can change just according to the rules of passage narration. Then the student, if we find the structure word by Allah or by job, by God, how can we change the word by Allah? Suppose if you find the word, the boy said, by Allah, I will kill you. By Allah, I will kill you. We can change this mode. We have to write, the boy swore by Allah that he would kill me. Well, instead of the word Allah, we can write the word swore, past form, or we can say, swearing by Allah, the boy said he would kill me. Well, if you find the word by Allah, by God, we just write the word swore by Allah, by God. Then there are some more terms if we find in our passage narration. I think that words are very common in our passage narration, and while doing passage narration we actually feel problem, we actually face problem to change such kind of words. So I think this video only for you who want to change this kind of sentence according to the new method or according to the modern method of English. Dear student, I think that's all about this kind of words. If you practice more and more at home, you will be able to change or to convert such kind of word accordingly or according to modern English. I hope you may carry the direction of these words. Dear student, I will meet you in my next class. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Stay at home.